Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video you'll be learning how to brand text or image on a cloth in Photoshop. So the first thing I'm going to do is creating a map, and to do that, that's displacement map, and to do that I will need to reduce the color. So I need to remove the color of this image, that is making it black and white. We're going to saturation, then reduce the value to -100 here. Now you can see we are having black and white here. So which after that, then you go to file, then locate the save as to save it as displacement map. You already have one on the desktop, so I'll just have one here to make changes to the name, then save. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now here is to come back to the real image. So and that means I need to get rid of this by dragging to the delete icon here, so we can go to the real image here. So where I'll be having my text, my branded text. So I'll click here on the text here, text tool, then I'll write. So this should remind you, if you haven't subscribed my channel, to do that. Now which after that, now so let's press Ctrl T to make it broader, then OK. So you will need to convert this text to smart object. So place your cursor, then right click, convert to smart object. So after that you go to filter, then you go to distort, then displace here, then horizontal scale, vertical scale 15 is okay, then displacement map, straight to fit, repeat, then this is okay. Now click on OK. Now once you click on OK, then you see this pop out. Now remember, it was displacement map 1, we name it, that's the map we created ourselves. Then I'll click here to select it, then I'll click on open. Now you can see the changes now made to the text compared to what we had before. So this is where I'll be ending it for today. In our next class I'll be showing you how you can remove text, how you can remove image, that's branded image, from a cloth or material. So till we meet again, but make sure you hit the subscribe button and also like this video. Thank you.